Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sally Jack's TV Mom and this is my son Frankie Jack. And he's desperate to open this advent calendar. Just show them. So where have we got that from this morning? Primark. So this is Primark's Advent Calendar. It's £15. Sorry about the light shining every now and again. We're going to take the film off in a moment. But my ring light is just broken. I tell you what, you just can't get a decent one. If anybody has a link to a decent ring light that actually holds itself on its pod and stays working, then please give me the link below in the comments section, because everything that I've had so far has been absolutely utter rubbish. We've got this Merry Christmas. So it's £15 and it's from Primark. I'm covering you. Right, let's get unboxing. Do you want to... So if I put a hole in that, and then we can show everybody, because they're out in the shops now. The Harry Potter one hasn't got great reports as yet, but I haven't seen it. But it wasn't in the shop for me to be able to get. But it was this morning with this one. Let's open it up and let's see what we have. So it's got doors 1 to 25. So you've got it up to Christmas Day on this one. So you get number 1 then. Open number 1 for me. Are you going to show the camera? Oh, no, he's going to show you. Okay, number 1. That's it. That's it. Put your finger in it. That's it. No, that's it, sweetheart. That's it. Can we pull the door back? Oh, sparkly, sparkly. What is it? It's Mickey Mouse. Show it to the camera then. Show it to the camera. It's Mickey Mouse and it's a really lovely, in fact, let me show you close up. It's a really lovely sparkly one of Mickey Mouse. So that's your first one. Let's have a look at door number 2. You're struggling to get into it, aren't you? A little bit. There we go. There was loads of Disney decoration. We are going to be doing a vlog on Disney decorations as well for Christmas. So another one, and this is a really lovely blue with, it's a little bit sort of Elsa inspired, isn't it, with the snowflakes. Number 3. It's in the top of the corner. Now behind it. That's it. That's it. Oh.
And then we're doing number.
And then we've got sort of a brownie one, and then he's got so it's like an amber with, then he's got brownie ears as Mickey Mouse. That's your next one. Then we go to number 4. Oh, you're good at finding these doors. Oh, sorry.
Can I just press them all the way around?
No, because you don't want to break this.
Sorry. Can I break that bit? I want a glove.
You want a glove one? I don't. Oh, I think you'll like that one, won't you?
No, look. There's a.
Well, we'll have a look when we go through. So this is a black see-through, and it's got the white marks going around it. I really like that one. That's really cool. You could actually hang one of those up in your car, couldn't you? By your oh, if you wanted to, I suppose. If you're into Disney, we're into Disney. So we've just got back. By the way, our vlogs, I'll leave you the link below for the vlogs that we did for Disneyland Paris in September. So that's where we got our ears from. Oh. So this is a really lovely sort of what colour would you call that? Sort of a greeny with spots. Number 6. Oh, Mummy likes this one. Mummy likes this one. This is a really lovely sort of dusky pink, and it's got the gold swirls on it.
This is the really tricky one, 7.
Is it 7? Oh, found it.
Yeah.
Oh, Frankie Jack, that's so lovely. But you won't like that, will you? No, not like that. When we went to see Jasmine from Aladdin, I don't want to see her, she's boring. Look at that. So you've got a lovely pink one with a lovely bow on it. Number 8.
Oh, that one just tripped out.
Oh, we know where that was from, but don't say anything. We won't say anything about that one, will we? Hey, we'll come to that one in a minute. Don't say anything. Let's put it back up. So that's your gold one with Mickey Mouse. That's cute. So then we want number... Did we do number 8? Hang on, let's just check we didn't do number 8. Is number 8 anywhere? Let me have a look. Oh, we've done number 8. So let's do number 9. It's really good, this, because you could actually buy this for you and do your tree up with it as Christmas goes on. Or you could be buying it for the kids for them to open, couldn't you? But oh, he's got one. Yay! We got Mickey Mouse's glove in gold. That's 9. Then 10.
Are we opening them all?
We're opening them all. 10. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? That's purple see-through with stars. Oh, that's the best.
Yeah.
This is the best. This is the best one. And this is behind our door. Your door might not be the same. This is behind door 11. That is the original Mickey Mouse. We love that one. That's what Mickey Mouse looks like. That's the one we love the best. Let's shove it back up there. Shove it back up there at number 12. Number 12.
We should I wanted to open them.
Okay.
Mummy, let me have a look on the back first.
Oh, no, don't look on the back. Let's just get it. Let's just get them out. Oh, that's for Mummy, isn't it? That's a lovely pink one. So that can go on our main tree this year. So we've got 3 to go on our main tree. Yeah, it is. We've got 3 that can go on our main tree this year. So that's 12. Now we need number 13. 13, which is this one here. Oh, that's cute. That can go on your candy tree that hopefully we're going to put up in your bedroom. So that is the Minnie Mouse, obviously with the bow, all pure red, beautiful glitter. That's 13.
Mama.
14, yeah, go on. 14. Fabulous. Oh, really cute, very traditional. And you've got the ears again, and it's covered with the green glitter around the outside. 15. Oh, you're finding these? No, that's 25. This is 15. Oh, Coolio. Coolio. Go on, you go and show it to camera then. You go and show it to camera. So what's that? Oh, not too close, so they can see it.
Mickey Mouse's glove.
Mickey Mouse's glove.
40.
Number 15.
50.
Number 15.
No.
Show this one. Go on, show this one. Show this one. Show this one. Hang it by his little thread. Come on, show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera. And wouldn't that look cute next to that one? Wouldn't that look cute next to that one? Show the camera. You haven't shown the camera, so that's Mickey Mouse's. 16. Then we go 17.
You made a little mark for me.
I have. Ooh. It's a glitter, silver glitter with
A white ball.
That's not a white bow. What colour's that?
Black ball.
Where did you get that being white? You silly Billy.
1, 2, 3,
18.
4. 18.
18.
Oh.
Ooh. Now this matches the other one, wasn't it? That really lovely sort of greeny colour. That
Matches with that one.
lighty tealy colour.
Matches.
Turquoise. That's the word I'm looking for. I work in fashion. Why the heck? I didn't know that. And you've got the gold trim around it. Oh, useless. Kind of turquoise, isn't it? Is it turquoise? It is kind of turquoise.
Mama, 16.
Some of these doors are hard to open, aren't they? Oh, that's pretty. That's an ombre effect, look. Of red and white. Then 20.
We haven't done that one.
That's going to be 24. Oh, look.
Oh,
That That's which one? Who's that? You tell me who that is. That's Minnie Mouse, and that'd look really lovely next to Mickey Mouse. Look, they're lovely.
Mummy.
21.
20. Let me find
This
it.
one, this one, this one.
Let me find it.
No. You're struggling, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
You are. You were struggling.
Stop, I weren't because I weren't.
Oh.
I weren't because I weren't.
Do you want to show that to camera?
Yes.
To them at home. Mickey Mouse, and he is, that's navy blue and silver.
Mummy. 22.
Oh, this is one for oh, hang on, what are you doing? This is one for our tree. Oh, its top's dropped off. I'm going to squeeze that back on. This one's for our tree. So it's a blush pink with a lovely cream ivory bow.
All of these for our tree.
Yeah, they're for our tree, not our home tree, because we always colour coordinate. No. This one first. But some can go on your tree, and then some can go on our tree. So some of the pink ones can.
Some of the pink ones can go on your tree.
Yeah, our tree downstairs, the main tree.
Which one's mine?
Your tree. Well, if we get your bedroom done, we're going to put a tree in your room this year, but it's only if we get it done. That's a brown one with a cream bauble.
There we go.
24.
24.
Go on.
I'm just getting to it from the other side. Mummy, I can do it from the other side.
He's not just ripped the doors, he's ripped the whole calendar apart as well. And open number 25 then while I'm on this one. And then we've got the red with the gold around it. So all to do with Disney, which we are massive fans of. We love Disney, don't we?
Mummy, this is the last one.
This is the last one. This is what you get on Christmas Day if you open the Advent Calendar properly, because you're not supposed to open it. Oh, and it's got 2019 written on it. I'm glad it says that and not 2018. 2019. So that is your Advent Calendar for this year, for 2019. Yeah, we can do in a minute, sweetheart. No, don't just rip it. So that, obviously, we've just opened it, but he's ripped it to death. But how lovely. Did you enjoy that?
Yes.
Did you enjoy that? He's been waiting all day to do that since we picked it up this morning. He's been very excited. Haven't you?
Mummy, can we rip it up now?
Yeah, you can go and rip it up if you want to. So yeah, they're £15. That's from Primark. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our unboxing. We'll see you later. Please don't forget to subscribe. And even better, after subscribing, hit that bell notification, and that basically will tell you when we've uploaded new videos. We'll see you later. Say goodbye.